What's going on, guys? This is a 2015 Nissan Altima. I'm going to show you how to change the rear brake pads super fast. You're going to need a 14 millimeter and a little, what is this, a screwdriver. So the first step is to get this piston to push back in. So I'm going to use my screwdriver for that. So I've got this caliper slid all the way forward. Now I'm going to take my 14 mil. I'm going to break it loose. The bottom bolt. You only need to remove one bolt here. Now you can grab this and rotate it up and out of the way. And if you want to, you can pop it out here, like so. Now you can grab these pads, snatch them out. Slap in the new pads. Here comes caliper. Now on this part, if it doesn't slide down quite right, what you might have to do is get some pliers and squeeze this a little more. I can push it in with my thumb. And you want to make sure that you line up the boot for the bottom. Here comes the slide pin bolt. And that's it. Do the other side and you're done.